Hey, what's up? Jason Bolte here. We're in Colorado Springs at a KOA, and we're going to show you how to make camper pies with the Reuben cast iron cookware. These are a few years old, so first things first, we're going to make a nice hot fire.
No, it's standing up. Yes, that bad.
It's getting close. Fire's almost ready to heat up our camper pies. Hey. Here we go. Now our you can tell our fire's at the right time because we're getting some white ash on the wood. So I'm gonna flatten this out, and then I'm gonna preheat our cast iron pan. There we go. So I'm gonna preheat this, but before I throw it in the fire, I'm gonna get some ham on there. We're also gonna butter our bread, so put this together, and then I'm gonna put this on here just to preheat it a little bit. So here we got two sandwiches. They're buttered, and we're gonna close this up, and it does a nice little crimp on it. And we're gonna put this in for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. All right, so that's like 3 minutes. I'm gonna flip it over. We're gonna take a peek, make sure we're not burning it. That looks pretty good. So there's the other side. We're gonna flip it over and do the other side for, I'm gonna check it at 2 minutes. Okay, here's the last one. The last one's always the best one because, well, when you're a little rusty, you know, it just takes a little practice. So now it's golden brown or so, and other side's the same. So there's the Reuben we made. This one didn't turn out burnt like the first one. So as you can see, it's toasted almost perfectly. Sauerkraut. What kind of meat's in there?
We use pastrami, but it's usually corned beef.
Pastrami or corned beef, Thousand Island, and
Swiss cheese.
oh yeah, Swiss cheese.
And this is mine. Yeah, I ate it all.
A little burnt.
Yeah. Okay, bye.
So anyway, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Consider subscribing, and there's a link for this product for Amazon right in the description. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.